We've been doing healthcare investments at Bain Capital for almost our entire nearly 40-year history. One of the things that's really unique about Bain Capital's approach is not just that we have a variety of different asset classes and business units across our platform, but our ability to truly have them operate together in an integrated fashion. We have a culture and an approach that really encourages not just focusing on one's own narrow area of activity, but really figuring out how to reach out across the platform, especially within a given industry vertical like healthcare, and figure out how we can bring the best of that team to any given situation.
One of the benefits of being at this over multiple decades is we've seen a lot of healthcare. People often ask us, how is it that you can invest so broadly? And I often ask, how is it you can invest without seeing the whole ecosystem? And so our ability to have seen sort of every aspect of healthcare in depth through real investments, through real successes, allows us this very broad perspective. And then we can take that perspective and apply it to every situation.
We've been investing in healthcare for many, many years. I think we've done north of 100 transactions across different continents. We have a very, very deep team. We have a very deep network of senior relationships, and that gives us a unique insight across the healthcare value chain in terms of the trends, the changes, the innovation.
People will look through a pharma lens or a life sciences biotech lens or a healthcare services provider or medtech, and actually all the learnings from these different areas can come together to solve a problem in one very specific sector.
It feels self-serving to say we're a lot of fun to work with, but we are a lot of fun to work with. Many of us have grown up in the organization, and so we have close working relationships. When you combine sort of the culture of the firm with the real lived experiences of the individuals, and you bring that together, the level of collaboration allows you just to achieve incredible things.
It's a real joy to work with the Bain Capital healthcare team, folks who are both passionate about driving the social outcomes that healthcare delivers, but also who love the complex nature of healthcare and love driving accelerated transformations.
In the ethos of this firm for the last close to 40 years is be collaborative. So when I first came here, what I found out very quickly is that, wow, look what we can do if we team up together with our colleagues around the world.
We function like a very unified team. We have teams working from, whether it's in the US or India or any other part of the world, who are bringing in expertise from their local regions, seen collaboration in many different ways.
We'll be sitting in the boardroom of one of our healthcare services companies, and we'll understand some technology challenges that they have, and that leads us to an idea, which leads us to potentially investing in a healthcare IT company.
Our deal and portfolio colleagues come together on investments to make sure that not only we make smart investment decisions, but also we can support our management teams through their value creation journey. Everyone's willing to dive in to help because we're all aligned on the same outcome.
The first question that we ask when we're thinking about a potential investment, does what they do make patients' lives better?
You'd be really hard-pressed to find an example in the healthcare world where good patient outcomes wasn't good business, or maybe the converse of that. Businesses that generate bad patient outcomes can never be good businesses for any meaningful period of time.
As a team, we've been really focused on taking on transformation, thinking through the way healthcare should work, and the opportunity to bring together teams and organizations and resources to help transform healthcare.
I really enjoy the sense of purpose, not just wanting to make great investments, but also wanting to make a change in the world and drive towards positive outcomes.
We try to figure out, well, what is the value that we can actually bring to the table? We don't come there just to govern or tell our CEOs what to do. We understand business is hard and things go bump in the night and everything doesn't always go up and to the right. But when it doesn't, we're not just here to, stomp our feet. We're here to actually help, fix the problem or get to a better place.
People here are incredibly intelligent. They come to work really passionate about what they do. Extremely collaborative.
Non-hierarchical and really idea-driven. Entrepreneurial.
Ambitious and excited to do deals. It's that style of thinking.
It's challenging in the best possible way.
I really look forward to coming to work. These are people who've got shared passions, shared interests. They love healthcare, and they enjoy what they do.